ASMR? No, we are not doing ASMR today. Today we are checking an experiment which I've seen on a TikTok. That's why it's today in a Let's See That vlog. And again, don't mind the color changes on my screen, it's because of the sun by the window. And to be honest, I tried to change it that it wouldn't go yellow when the sun goes up. But I thought I did. Obviously I didn't. What I said, if I touch it again, it's all gonna fall. So, yellow. Sometimes I'm gonna be yellow. And sometimes I'm gonna be white. I have the plate. I have the water. And I have the candles. And I don't have a lighter. And I have the lighter. As you can see, we're gonna do experiment with a candle in the bottle and the water. That was my postman. He probably was thinking, what the heck she's talking about. Anyway, and who? I don't have any good bottles. The only bottles I have is this and this. That's not actually a bottle, but you know, I need a glass container. And I don't have any apart from these two. One is quite small and one is quite wide. They both are not heatproof, so I hope they're not gonna break. Especially that one, because my girl gonna hate me, it has. I think the small one for the and the big one, that's gonna be quite risky. Big one in here. I hope it's not gonna break the glass, but hey, we're gonna risk it for a biscuit. I'm gonna already put both of them on a plate because when I add the water, it's gonna be hard to add a candle. I'll have to set over and I don't have time. Ooh, fire! The first one is ready, guys. It's not exactly straight. It's a bit tilted, but hey, who cares? I let it burn for a moment because I think it's a bit too long. And I should swap my hands. I shouldn't be doing this with the left hand. Left hand, I wanted to say. That's silly. Alright. It's gonna be enough. Oh no! That one dries really quickly! I didn't make it! Sorry guys, I needed to use my both hands for it. And I nearly burned my finger. Anyway. This is how it looks like now, yeah? And we're gonna add some water. I'm just gonna move it a bit here because it's kind of annoying me. I have to be like, ugh, which is not comfy. So let's add some water to it and, I don't know, let's see. Do you think that's enough, guys? Oh, I should add a bit more. I'm gonna add a bit more, just tiny teaching. Which one I'm gonna start first, guys? Big one or small one? It's still not ASMR. Let's start from the small one because I think that the candle is a bit fragile and it may fall. I don't want this. So I don't know, I am excited. Oh, I am indeed. This is all, you know, too many things I have to record into. So I guess I need a small tripod as well, so I can just put it in here and do stuff, yeah. But I use my hand for now, so you have to excuse me that as well. Not prepared for the YouTube channel. I'm quite stressed, guys, because I don't know if that's gonna work. It's rising already. That was so quick. Okay, that was too quick, guys. I want to do it again. I was expecting that it's gonna burn a bit longer than that. Yeah, because it did what it's supposed to do. The water should rise. But it just was too quick. I couldn't enjoy it properly. Come on. I know you're wet, but you can still walk with me. Ah, got it at the end. Alright, let's do it again, guys, okay? That's quick, okay? I have to be more observing this time. That's better. That's much better. Cool. That was much better. It took a bit longer and we could observe what happened. Alright, let's try the big one now. As you can see, it's well tilted, but who cares? I just hope it's not gonna break. The big one was a bit disappointing, guys. Well, I am quite disappointed with the big one, guys. I want to try it again and see what happens. And if nothing happens, maybe we can try to put a small bottle over the bigger candle. And died. Right, it's all not going well. Can't get the flame up again. It's because it's wet. Right, I got myself a kitchen towel. Or something on that sort. What I had in the kitchen. And let's try it again. Just had another postman coming. Just when I record a video. Why? Shall we try? Shall we try it? And I think the reason why we cannot see the water goes up that high is because it's wide jar. It's quite wide. And I messed it up again. It always gets that little drop straight to the thingy. Because I want to use the little small bottle on a big candle. Whoa, okay. Oh no. Huh? Whoa, that was nice. Let's do it. I like that one much better. Yeah. I moved the blot into that side, so sorry, like cutting my head off the screen. Now I'm just gonna quickly explain to you guys what actually happened. I'm sure some of you already knows, but for the one who still wonders, how this happened? It's pretty simple actually, guys. You put that bottle in here, yeah, and you have some certain volume of the air inside of the bottle, and that volume keeps the water level on the level it keeps. You know what I mean? You know, water pushes from the bottom, air pushes from the top, and they meet and they keep, you know, on some certain level. Then when you light up the flame inside, the two things happen. One of them is that the fire consumes the oxygen from the air and it lowers the volume of the air. The fire also warms up the air, and air expands when it's heated up. Basically, both things happen at the same time. The decrease of the volume from the oxygen being consumed by the fire, it's being compensated by the expansion of the air from the heating up by the fire. But then, when all the oxygen is being consumed by the fire goes down. Okay, it consumed all the oxygen, and oxygen is needed for the fire to live. So then the fire dies out, and the air gets colder. And when the air gets colder, it shrinks. And while it's shrinking, it's sucking the water up. Okay, it's not that much of the air, it's pushing from the top, so water pushing from the bottom can go up more and more until they meet on a level again that they both pushed and balance each other on that level. So yeah, air shrinks, water goes up. Doesn't expand, it just goes up. It's being sucked up from the rest of the plate, because obviously this is not sealed completely. So the water can go through these little spaces between the bottle and the plate, and it goes shoo! It's quite cool, actually. It is quite cool. I'm not the best at explaining and teaching and all that stuff. No, the homeschooling was a nightmare, because really, for me to send a message that someone else would understand is really, really hard. Because in my head, it all sounds alright, you know, I think, oh, I am making a sense. But for someone else who's listening, it might be, she is talking a lot of bollocks. So I hope you understood what I said. If not, well, you are welcome to Google it and do all your research yourself and do the experiment yourself. Although, if you are little, if you are not the adult, don't do it yourself, okay? Ask the parents to help you. I don't know what I'm doing this. This is really odd. And together you can do it. You can do a little experiment, and I think I'm gonna do it with my son as well. I know we're gonna be using a tiny bottle for that. Alright guys, I like doing experiments and I enjoy doing it, and I'll see you Wednesday. Bye!